I'm at Old Tunnel State Park, trying not to get people in the video. Right there where that bridge is, that's the tunnel where you can see bats fly out, and it is pretty crowded there. But I'm on the hiking trails. Right now I'm on the upper trail, which is just a little piece that goes up over the bridge, but you could take the loop trail, which makes it a total of a mile hiking. And it's actually a pretty good hike. I think it's great for beginners because it's steep but short. So and it's pretty and it's peaceful. I was the only person actually on the loop trail, which is nice. I like it when there's nobody on the trail, honestly. Got some meditation in. So the bats, FYI, while you can technically go see them in October, you can't see them in October because they emerge at night, so you're not going to be able to see them. But you can see lots of bats actually flying around in the cave right now, which if you have binoculars, you'd be able to see. And I'm going to do a thumbnail, I guess, on this video where I'm going to actually have a picture of the tunnel because I don't want to get down there because, like I said, there's a lot of traffic that actually goes to the tunnel, but it's a whole park with hiking trails, and the hiking trails, like I said, don't have people on them, which is awesome. It's also free, another cool thing. If you want to view the bats, that's after 5 o'clock at night. It does require a ticket to view the bats here, and like I said, pointless to go in October. The bats are going to emerge during the summer is really when you want to go see the bats, when it's light outside longer. Anyway, this is Old Tunnel State Park. I'm very pleased with it.